front door right here, mirror to look at yourself. Little seat right here, little bag seat too. Okay, then we have the open concept bathroom. Okay, never mind, there's a sliding door here. But nonetheless, we got another, I think Hyatt Regencies and above have bright bathrooms. This is a nice bright bathroom, clean. Look at that sink, yo. It's floating. And we have this really nice tub. Then it's really, I like this. It's bright. We got the two doors over here. One's the water closet and one is the shower. Closest one to here is the shower. Oh, they have different amenities right there, different brand. But nice, bright marble, two-head shower. One's a raindrop. Look down and we have some decent looking tile down there. Floors here are nice. Then we have the water closet, opens this way. And like at the other one, we have that little spray thing too. Same concept in here. Big mirror in front too. And I guess like it's all about luxury, so you can see inside your bedroom from the bathroom. Mm-hmm. Now we get into the meat. Now we get into the meat of the potatoes and everything. Come in, you got another place for your bag right there. And then here's the room, y'all. I can dig it. Big bed. Got our waters in there too. Dark wood accent right there. Got a nice love seat. Nice desk. We come in, we got this little section right here. There's fruit in here for us. That's really cool. I haven't been to a hotel that has fresh fruit. Got our, I'm not sure if there's a refrigerator and a safe and some more waters. I'm not sure if they have any coffee makers. Let's try to figure that out. This is the closet, by the way. Open face closet. And then let's see if there's a coffee maker anywhere. I don't really drink coffee, but some folks do. Not in there. I'm sure the coffee, oh, this is the hot water bowl of the water right here. Got our coffees and teas. And then I guess this might be a view room because what we got a view, got the water, got the port. We came all the way over there, not too bad. We walked from there to here from the port. No taxi needed unless you got a lot of stuff, unless you want to hire a porter and a taxi. And look, we got another infinity pool at this property. And you know what? We can see it all.